Welcome back to another tip from the TInkerage. If you're a regular follower of Tales from the TInkerage, you'll know that the TInkerage is not very big. 5 square meters, 54 square feet, so really quite small. Wall space, storage space is at a premium. So here's a tip on how you can triple your tool storage space. Now, so far I've only put one chisel on this board. It might not actually stay in that place. I may put some different ones up, but this is just to show that this is my toolboard. But this toolboard isn't quite what it seems. Held in place on a magnetic catch, we have space on the other side and space behind. So instead of one place, I now have 3 places. Very easy to do. This is just supported on a piece of wood out from the side. You can make this any size you want. Essentially it's like a mini cupboard, but I can leave space open if I want. You could have multiples of these. It's a really nice way of increasing the space. You can store things open in a small workshop. So my most frequently used tools will go on the outside and on the inside. Certainly won't be the hammer when I get organised, but that will be other tools that I find maybe I need, but not quite so often. Bye for now.